Start this morning with breaking news out of Asia, where a powerful earthquake killed dozens in Indonesia. I want to show you some of the first video that we're getting into the newsroom showing the damage in Aceh, the Aceh province. That's the area devastated by a tsunami 12 years ago. Officials say the magnitude 6.5 quake caused buildings and homes to collapse. At least 97 people have been killed, dozens more are injured, and we just learned first responders have rescued at least 4 people buried underneath the rubble. More rescue efforts are still underway. One woman in the worst hit area tells reporters that she fears 3 of her friends may also be buried in those collapsed buildings.